Hello friends, it's me again, and now I'm installing the N7 unit to my M249, but I have discovered that there is a problem. Unlike the Polarstar unit, the N7 does not give you the option to program your semi and your auto positions. So instead of that, you can only program your semi and full auto, but you cannot set full auto at your semi position, and you cannot set your semi on the full auto. The problem is that in the M249 you don't have any positions. You just have safety on, off, and the trigger. So in this build I have used my Polarstar connector board. So as you can see, we have some space here. Right now it's on semi only, as you can hear my solenoid clicking. There is no way to program the FCU to make this full auto. You have to work around. So after a bit tinkering and looking at the schematics of this unit, of the original, I found out that if you will short these two, because then you are shortening 1, 2, 3, all of those, you will receive a full auto. Right, so I will just use a low-tech solution to fix it. Well, as you can see, what I have done is a bit barbaric, but you know what? It works. It's cheap and it works. You can get this board at the aftermarket. I saw it on the internet, so you can just buy your N7 and just buy this unit for about, I don't know, $20. That's it guys, thanks for watching.